There is no ya in kalima. I hope you have understood. Please see, as I have edited the kalima, I have removed the ya from the kalima. Kalima should be written without ya. I hope you have understood. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As we have studied that our first topic will be ism, so today we are going to study ism. So I would say uh, four important points of ism. So there are four important points of ism. So, and we can say they would be, or it's the roadmap of ism. So the first point, we call it jins. So jins means gender, like we can say sex, male or female. So there are 2 points. Mudhakkar. Mudhakkar means masculine, and muannas. Muannas means feminine, like boy, girl. So the second topic, gender, we can say. The second point, it is adad. Adad means digit, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 points. Wahid. Wahid means singular. For example, 1 girl, 1 boy, and so we have musanna, which is not exist in English. Musanna means dual, like 2 boys, 2 girls. Musanna is not considered as a plural. They are considered as a musanna, dual, musanna. And the third one is jama. Jama means plural. More than 2 asma or nouns are considered as a jama. For example, 3 books, 3 girls, 100 girls. All of them are considered as a plural. Like 1,000 male. So all of them are considered as a jama. So I hope you have understood. This is the new point, which is not exist in English grammar. So the third point is called i'rab. So now, for understanding purpose, I would say i'rab means harakat. And inshallah, each point will be explained in a different lecture, so don't worry if you don't understand it now, because it is somehow a little bit different. There are 3 points in i'rab: marfu', mansub, majroor. So what are marfu', mansub, and majroor? So they are different sounds of an ism. So, and it will be explained further in i'rab's lecture. So right now I would say Muhammadun, Muhammadan, and Muhammadin. Like Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. It means Muhammad, peace be upon him. He is our prophet. So, but they have same meaning, but their shapes are different. Their shapes are different. So it is marfu, it is mansub, and it is majroor. So I should not explain it further. So because we should explain it in coming lecture. So just you should know like these are different shapes of an ism, but they will have the same meaning. Same meaning. And like this, Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. It means Muhammad. And same meaning, or and they are different shapes. Different shapes of an ism. So the fourth point is was'at. So was'at means capacity. So there are 2 points. Mu'arrifa. Mu'arrifa means the introduced one, the recognized one. And the second is nakira. Nakira means unspecified, or not unintroduced one. Or we should say specified one, or nakira, unspecified one, or unspecified ism, unspecified ism. For example, in English, I can give you an example. The book means a specific book, but in nakira I would say a book. The book is not specified. It could be a book of history, science, so whatever they are. So I hope you have understood. So this topic, it is the roadmap of ism. So whenever we complete these 4 points, it means we will understand on ism. So each point will be explained inshallah in a different lecture. So our coming topic will be gens, and then adad, and after that i'rab, and after that wasat. And by completing these 4 points, this chapter will be completed. So it is chapter 1. So chapter 1 will be completed by the completion of wasat, inshallah. So see ya.